Good afternoon and welcome to our daily COVID-19 briefing. I'm joined today by EMA Director Herb Simmons and St. Clair County Health Department Director Barb Holt. Barb, you have our numbers for us today.
I do. Thank you, everyone. Happy day after Christmas. Hope everyone had a great Christmas. Okay, St. Clair County totals. So far, we have tested 201,724. That's an increase of 2,510. Now, these are for 2 days. Since we were off yesterday, these stats are for 2 days, yesterday and today. So we have 2,510 testing that we have done. Of those, 256 were positive. Those were males and females under 1 year of age to age 90, people into their 90s. So that makes our daily county positivity rate of 10.2%. So therefore, we have a total of 20,035 positive cases and 181,689 negative cases. Unfortunately, we have 6 new deaths to add to the list. These are just so sad, especially around the holiday season, but any time of year. 6 new COVID-related deaths, 2 females in their 70s, a male in his 80s, a female in her 90s, and 2 males in their 90s, and all with unknown health conditions. That makes a total number of deaths in St. Clair County since this started of 312. Again, our thoughts and prayers go out to all those family members and friends of those 312 individuals that have passed away due to COVID-related illness. We have 18,228 folks that have completed the 10-day isolation period requirement to date. Statewide, we have tested 12,939,386 individuals. That's an increase of 3,293 for a total number of positive cases of 934,142. Throughout the state, we have a total of 66 deaths to report statewide today, making our Illinois death rate at 15,865 deaths. Again, our prayers and thoughts go to all those family members. Hospitalization rates in St. Clair County, we have 103 COVID-related patients hospitalized, and 10 of those individuals are on ventilators. Region-wise, we have 181 COVID-related patients hospitalized, and 14 of those individuals are on ventilators. Congregate living in outbreak status, we have 2 cases to add to Brea of Belleville for a total of 80 cases and 8 deaths. We have 2 additional cases to add to Integrity Healthcare in Smithton for a total of 68 cases and 10 deaths. We have an additional 9 cases and 2 deaths to report at Mercy Rehab and Care Center in Swansea for a total of 112 cases and 5 deaths. We have 1 additional case to add at Caseyville Nursing and Rehab for a total of 161 cases and 8 deaths. At the Morningside of Shiloh, we have 7 additional cases to report for a total of 12 cases and 1 death. We have 1 additional case to report at Cedarhurst of Shiloh for a total of 22 cases and no deaths. At Cedar Ridge of Lebanon, we have 1 additional case and 1 additional death for a total of 143 cases and 20 deaths. And finally, we have 3 additional cases and 1 additional death to add at Freeburg Care Center for a total of 49 cases and 1 death. Testing sites, again, several are available throughout the area. As you know, St. Clair Mall is open 7 days a week from 8 to 4 every day. They'll be closed Christmas Day and New Year's Day. This Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, December 28th, 29th, and 30th, we will be at our St. Clair County Public Services Facility, our new clinic at 330 West Main. That will be from 8 to 4, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday next week. And again, next weekend after the holidays, we'll be back at the fairgrounds. We're at the fairgrounds today. We'll be back at the fairgrounds on Thursday, New Year's Eve day, from 8 to 4 on 12/31, and also the day after New Year's on Saturday, January 2nd, also at the fairgrounds from 8 to 4. And with that, I will turn it over to Mr. Herb. Hi, Herb. How was your Christmas?
Fine. Hope everybody had a nice Christmas. I know we talked and you sound like you did, and we wish
Relaxing.
everybody
It was very nice.
very relaxing. There's one question I know the answer, but I think you need to. A lady says, "I have a question. I hope someone can answer. Do they still do contact tracing?" And I know yous are.
Yes, we do. The staff did have Christmas Day off, but we are doing contact tracing otherwise 7 days a week. And we have over 30, almost 40 staff that are 35 staff that are working on that 7 days a week. So we still are, and we got a lot of cases again here, 256 to catch up on, so they've been very busy.
Very good. We'll go into the zip code report that we do every day. 62201 goes up 1 to 447. 62203 goes up 1 to 493. 62205 goes up 1 to 498. 62206 goes up 3 to 969. 62207 goes up 1 to 443. 62208 goes up 1 to 1,136. 62220 goes up 5 to 1,378. 62221 goes up 9 to 1,910. 62223 goes up 6 to 1,206. 62226 goes up 12 to 2,180. 62239 goes up 1 to 307. 62240 goes up 1 to 102. 62243 goes up 5 to 474. 62255 goes up 1 to 55. 62257 goes up 1 to 224. 62258 goes up 5 to 732. 62260 goes up 4 to 501. 62269 goes up 8 to 2,146. 62285 goes up 1 to 400. And 62289 goes up 1 to 31. As Barb said, our daily county positivity rate is 10.2, which is down from the day before yesterday at 11.7, so that's good anytime we can go down. The regional positivity as of December 23rd stayed the same, 11.6 today. Our county 7-day rolling average is 9.8. And that's comes about because of the region numbers that came in today. Bond County, 6.7%. Clinton County, 5.2. Madison, 6.4. Monroe, 13.3. Randolph, 8.1. St. Clair, 7.5. And Washington at 29%. And Barb, one of the other questions we had before we came on the air, we got a call, said that there was a rumor that Walgreens and CVS were saying that there's a delay in getting into the long-term health care. Do we know anything about that, or have you heard anything?
I haven't heard anything yet. As soon as we get any types of updates, the last that I heard was that they are supposed to be coming in starting Monday, that they would have the vaccine to those pharmacies to be able to be distributed out to the long-term care facilities. But I will check into that.
Good, and we'll make sure that we get that back out to the people who are asking about that. One of the other numbers that we watch all the time, 111 of those numbers under the age of 40, which is, we've said all along that that's just kind of concerning, that that's in the younger population. So 111 out of that 256 under the age of 40. Brian, the numbers kind of holding right now?
Yeah, we're still staying steady. Early into the holiday, obviously. Hopefully everyone made wise decisions in the last few days. Those that did have gatherings made decisions to wear masks, stay distanced apart, hopefully outdoors, just trying to do what they can to lessen the risk of spreading this virus. It's those asymptomatic carriers that we're worried about. We hope somebody wouldn't knowingly feeling not well go hang out with their family or friends, but the ones that we really worry about are the ones that don't know they have it yet.
Well, and the one thing my mother and my grandmother used to tell me is the proof will be in the pudding if everybody behaved themselves. If they followed the 3 W's, it's take a while with the holiday yesterday, and of course now we're backing up right to New Year's, and the same thing will be preaching to you all week long. This is day 288, and this year is just about coming to an end. We hope everybody, as Brian said, had a good Christmas. We hope that if you did get together, that you used good common sense, wore the mask, and kept those gatherings small. It will take us a couple of weeks to find out if we're going to see any spike. We were lucky through the Thanksgiving holiday, and we're hoping that will follow suit here for Christmas leading into the New Year's. As we say all along, the light is getting brighter at the end of the tunnel. It's just taken us a while to get there. This vaccine, people getting vaccinated, hopefully here in the next couple of months, and we can all, hopefully next year will be better for all of us. Don't know what that norm is going to be. I don't know if we'll ever get back to what we're used to, but we're sure gonna try. So everybody, we'll be back tomorrow for day 289 with some more numbers. So have a good rest of your holiday weekend here, and we'll see you tomorrow afternoon.
For more than 6 months, St. Clair County residents and businesses have been in the battle against COVID-19. As we see cases surging in the country and even close to home, we must again remind everyone the fight is not over. Team St. Clair has made it this far by following the guidance and direction of our public health professionals. Now is not the time to let our guard down. We must continue to wear a mask, watch our social distancing, and wash our hands. To get through this pandemic, we must work together.